Welcome to Project Kitten. Hello! Hey guys, today I'm going to be making DIY face masks. For humans, not for cats. Don't mind the pictures. Let's go. First, draw a weird shape like this on a piece of paper, and you could pause the video to see the measurements. Did you get the measurements? Next, cut it out. You'll need 2 of these pieces of fabric that you choose. Make sure that they're gonna go like this and not the same way, or else it won't work. Then put them together. I chose this pink fabric for the inside and then this strawberry fabric for the outside. You'll need 2 layers to make it protective. Now sew it inside out. When you sew, make sure to leave a little space so you can flip it back inside out or right side out, and then continue sewing. Finally, sew some elastic on for your ear. Made another one with a little bee fabric, and here's how it looks. For this one, you're gonna need to cut out a piece of paper that looks kind of like this. It looks a little weird, but make sure you pin it into your fabric. Now cut that out. And don't forget, you'll need 2 pieces of fabric. We want these masks to actually work good. Now it's cut out. We chose this cute dinosaur fabric and this yellow fabric. Basically here, you're going to take these 2 parts, put them together, and sew it. Sew it basically just like we did before. Here, my little mannequin friend is going to help model. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. These masks are a lot more comfortable than the regular ones. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you and bye!